Now that we've worked with properties of logarithms and we know how to solve equations, or we've reviewed solving equations, we can work with doubling time. You deposit P dollars in an account whose annual interest rate is R and it's compounded continuously. How long will it take to double your investment? Okay, so let's talk about this. So we're talking about compounded continuously. The first thing I'm going to write down is the formula. A equals P times E raised to the RT power. Okay, so that's our compounded continuously formula. A is our end amount, P is our initial deposit or our principal, R is our interest rate, the annual interest rate, and T is your time in years that the money is accumulating interest in the account. Now if I want to double my investment, that means that my end amount needs to be twice what I started with. So 2P equals P times E raised to the RT power. Now I want to solve for how long. So I want to solve for T. So I need to isolate the base that contains the exponent of T. So I'm going to do that by dividing both sides by P. So the P's cancel, they actually cancel on both sides, and we get 2 equals E raised to the RT power. Now we're going to write this in log form. Log base E is the natural log of 2 is equal to R times T. We want to solve for T, so I'm going to divide both sides by R, and the doubling time, T is equal to the natural log of 2 divided by the annual interest rate. That's a very important formula for you to either know how to derive or have memorized. So if the doubling time is T equals natural log of 2 over R, what would the tripling time be? Tripling time would be the natural log of 3 divided by R. So how long does it take to triple? To triple, T would equal the natural log of 3 divided by the interest rate. And that looks like an I, and I want it to be an L. There we go. The interest rate is 8.75%, so that's 0.0875. And if we put the natural log of 3 divided by 0.0875 into our calculator, we'll get the tripling time, which is approximately 12.556 years. 12.556 years. Now, if you want to expand that out to years, months, days, hours, minutes, and seconds, you would have 12 years, 6 months, 20 days, 16 hours, 7 minutes, and 12 seconds. So see if you can challenge yourself to get that answer.